Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Google Play and tapping your profile icon to reach payments and subscriptions. This gets you into the billing area immediately. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account because changes apply account-wide. If you plan to add a credit or debit card, have the card number, expiration date, and CVV handy. If you'll use Google Pay, ensure it's set up on the device. Once ready, select Payment Methods to begin adding or editing a payment option. Next, choose Add Payment Method to input a new card or choose an existing entry to edit. This is where accuracy matters. Type card digits slowly, include the exact billing address that matches your bank record, and double-check the expiration and CVV. If using Google Pay, pick the linked account and confirm the phone unlock or biometric prompt. You may see a one-time authorization charge or a two-step verification requirement. Follow the prompts until the Play Store confirms the method. Finish by optionally setting the new method as default and making a small purchase to confirm it works. This validates billing and prevents surprises later. If a payment is declined, check the billing address, card expiration, international or online transaction limits, and any bank authorization prompts like 3D Secure. If problems persist, sign into Payments. Google.com to review your profile details, then contact your card issuer to clear blocks. Most issues resolve after confirming the charge with your bank.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.